Hello everybody. Today we're going to continue with the collocations for river. Now let's look at some adjectives that we can use to describe the river. 1. A wide river, a narrow river, a mighty river, a gently flowing river, a fast flowing river, a meandering river, or a winding river. They are the same. A stately river, a crystal clear river, a pristine river, a muddy river, a polluted river. Now let's move on to some verbs that can go with the word river. Number 1, a river flows. A river meanders. A river tumbles down rapids. A river swells after rain. A river dries up. A river freezes over. A river overflows its banks. Okay, now let's look at some nouns collocation. Number 1, riverbank, riverbed, river mouth, river delta, river current, river basin, river system, river source, river water. Now let's look at the activities near or on a river. These phrases are very useful for Part 2 speaking. 1. Go river rafting or go whitewater rafting. 2. Go canoeing or go kayaking. 3. Go fishing or go fly fishing. 4. Take a river cruise or take a boat trip. Next, walk along the riverbank or walk along the river path. Picnic by the riverside or dip your toes in the river. Next, explore the river trail. Next, we have paddle a boat. Now let's look at the feelings and the atmosphere by the river. Is it useful when you want to add your emotion, imaginary, or if you want to sound a bit poetic? 1. You enjoy a feeling of deep tranquility. 2. You enjoy absolute peace and quiet. 3. You enjoy a sense of calm. Next, you enjoy finding solace by the river. Next, you enjoy feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Next, you enjoy feeling connected to nature. Next, you want to be lulled by the gentle sound of the water. Or you want to be musing by the water's edge. Okay, if you want to have some practice, here are some questions for you. 1. Are there any rivers in your hometown or near where you live? 2. Do you like rivers? Why or why not? 3. Have you ever been on a boat trip on a river? 4. Do you think rivers are important? In what ways? 5. What do you think people usually do around rivers in your country? 6. Would you like to live near a river? Why? Why not? 7. Do you think rivers are cleaner now than they were in the past? 8. Do you think it's important to protect rivers? I hope that this video can help you when you discuss the topic of river. Thank you for watching.